Hello from sunny Nicosia. Although it's chilly, like 0 degrees Celsius, we have some sun today. Now our technicians are installing smart radiant heaters at the open air space patio of beer garden. We are almost done. Totally we have installed 4 smart radiant heaters. It's a new 2020 model that sends widespread radiant heating to the entire patio. We have divided the entire patio according to the seating arrangement to 4 heating zones. Each heater, the manager can control it from the control panel that we will install shortly, can set up temperature from 0 up to 35 degrees Celsius. Totally we have 65% save energy compared to gas patio heaters and 50% save energy compared to normal infrared red light heaters. Hello Antonis.
Morning.
Good morning. As you can see, another installation detail is that we have the 316 degrees rotating bracket. So you give the flexibility to the manager here at the restaurant. Let's say he has 12 guests that they want one long table. He can rotate the heater to accommodate the entire seating arrangement for 12 people. Everything is get done correctly from the first time. We give 10 years guarantee and 1 customer satisfaction. We wish you to have a nice day ahead.